In this video, I'm going to show you how to use horizontal volume in TradingView. So the first thing you want to do here is just open up tradingview.com and go to a chart that you want to add the horizontal volume for. Here, the next thing you want to do is go to the left panel of your screen and you'll be able to see the section here just above the icon uh, section here. Just click on the section here. This can change depending on the what the last tool you use, but by default it's set to long position. So when you click on this icon, you'll be able to see the fixed range volume profile. So when you click this, you'll be able to select one point and another point where you can add your fixed range uh, volume profile. So the next thing that you want to do is just click in one point and then drag it to the next point where you want to add that view. So just click on the second position and you should be able to add the volume profile. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.